Hi everyone, welcome! Today in front of me is HyperX Cloud Mix Buds and I need to show you how to pair them with your iOS phone. Let's get started. First you have to open our lid and hold our finger on this button over there for 3 seconds. This will allow us to go into pairing mode. 1, 2 and 3. Now we are in pairing mode, so you have to scroll down to the control panel, hold our finger on Bluetooth and click Bluetooth settings. Now as you can see under devices we have HyperX Cloud Mix Buds. We have to click on it and now we are connected with our HyperX Cloud Mix Buds headphones. That's it. Like and subscribe for more videos and hope it helps you. Goodbye.